success does not come overnight. Behind every achievement is sacrifice, patience, and hard work. There will be times when you feel tired, discouraged, and ready to give up. But those challenges are part of the journey toward success. Never be afraid of hard work. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep improving yourself every day. Because in the end, success is not given to those who quit. It is earned by those who continue despite the struggles. Remember this, the pain of hard work lasts only for a moment, but the success it brings can last a lifetime.